Hello dear students, today we are doing a practice problem on final accounts. We have a trial balance of a sole trader. The trial balance has some new things for you, and there are around 4 or 5 adjustments which are to be taken into account while preparing trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. All these adjustments have already been discussed with you, and this problem is simply for the sake of practice, and you have to solve the problem the way I do it for you. Let us plus see the problem. Here is the problem before you. This is the trial balance of the sole trader. He has given us a trial balance, debit side and the credit side. On the debit side, we have balances of bad debts. Now these bad debts are the part of the trial balance. These bad debts are those bad debts about which we came to know during the year. Okay, so these bad debts are the bad debts which have already been recorded. Entries have been made for this. So then in the adjustments, see number 2, there are further bad debts of 3,200 rupees which could not be recorded earlier. So these are recorded bad debts which are part of the trial balance, and these bad debts have not been recorded. So therefore these bad debts have become an adjustment for us. Okay. Then we have carriage inward, purchases, then returns inward, furniture, wages. Wages will go to the trading account, debtors, rent and drawings, interest on loan, general expenses, salaries, cash in hand, buildings, land and buildings, advertising, salesman's commission and opening stock. Here is the credit balances. There is capital, creditors, sales, loan. Loan is amount of loan is 60,000, and here is the interest on loan which has already been paid. Okay, and then we have discount. This discount is discount received. Discount allowed comes on this side. This is an income and will go to the credit side of profit and loss account. Purchase return will be deducted out of purchases, and the returns inward will be deducted out of the sales. So last item is bills payable, and the bills payable are given here as 32,000. The total of the trial balance tallies. Now here are the 5 adjustments. Rent is paid at the rate of 2,000 per month. This is a new thing for you. I told you there is something new. Rent is paid at the rate of 2,000 rupees per month, and for 1 year it will be how much? It will be 24,000 rupees. But see how much rent is paid. Rent is paid only 25,000. That means this should be how much? Rent should be at the rate of 2,000, 24,000. But it has been paid how much? 25,000. What does it mean? This is rent prepaid. This is rent prepaid, because rent is 24,000 at the rate of 2,000 rupees per month. Okay. Then if it is 2,000, how come this rent is 25? It implies that 1,000 rent is prepaid. It belongs to next year, not to this year. So when we will write rent, we have to be very careful that we do not take 25,000 as the expense of this year. How much is the expense of this year? 24. So 1,000 will move to next year. This is rent prepaid. So bad debts I have all told you, this is further bad debts, or it is also called additional bad debts, which we did not know earlier, we came to know only at the end of the year. Third is create a provision for doubtful debts at 5% on debtors. Now, this again is a new thing. This again is a new thing. What is new in it? In it, we have debtors. We have debtors given here. How much debtors are given here? We have 70,000 debtors. We have 70,000 debtors. These debtors are before additional bad debts, because these are the debtors which are with us, 70,000, before additional bad debts. These debtors are after these bad debts. These bad debts have already been deducted out of this, but these bad debts are yet to be deducted out of this. Therefore, be careful when we write debtors, and also when we make a provision. Provision is always made on what? On good debts, not on doubtful debts. So, we have debtors of 70,000 and we have to create a provision of 5% on good debtors. So, we will have to deduct out of 70,000 these 3,200 which are additional bad debts, and then we will have a provision of 5% on the net debtors after deducting the additional bad debts, right? Then closing stock is given, you know, it's a closing stock which comes once in the trading account credit side and then as an asset. This is very simple. Here are again new things, 3 new things I have introduced in this. All 3 are relating to goods. First, goods worth 15,000 were lost by fire and they were not insured. Second, goods worth rupees 500 were taken by Mr. 𝗘𝘅𝗺𝗁, who is the proprietor, sole trader, for his personal use. He took away these goods for his personal use. Then goods worth for 1,000 are distributed as free sample. This is advertising expenses. These are our drawings. And say 50,000, this also is a loss. This is a loss. So therefore, all these adjustments will be dealt with twice. 2 बार आएंगी सारी की सारी. ये भी 2 बार, ये भी 2 बार, ये भी 2 बार, ये भी 2 बार, सारी एडजस्टमेंट 2-2 बार आएंगी. अब देखें हम इनको करते हैं. Let us try to do this question, solve this question. Here is the ruling. The first part is the trading account. The second part is the profit and loss account, and we have a balance sheet here, and we will prepare balance sheet, trading account and profit lines from this information. So on this side, we first of all write from the debit side opening stock. Opening stock. How much is the opening stock? Opening stock is given here 25,000. This is 25,000 opening stock. Then we write purchases. How much are the purchases? Purchases are 5,60,000. 5,60,000. These are the purchases. और इसमें से लेस क्या का होगा? रिटर्न्स. रिटर्न्स इधर लिखी हुई हैं. रिटर्न्स, परचेज रिटर्न्स, दे आर 21,000. परचेज रिटर्न्स हैं इसमें से 21,000. Now this is the purchase return given on the credit side. Now regarding this, I have an adjustment. Here is this. ये adjustment देखिए. These are the goods purchased. Out of this much was returned. So there are 3 adjustments. First is goods worth 15,000 were lost by fire. So this lost will be deducted out of the goods. So I will say minus goods lost. Goods lost. How much? 15,000. 15,000 का माल हमारा इसमें से जल गया. हम इसको इधर भी लिख सकते हैं, गुड्स लॉस्ट बाय फायर, यहाँ भी लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन बेटर ये है कि इसको परचेज में से लेस करो, बिकॉज गुड्स लॉस्ट बाय फायर इज एट कॉस्ट. So this is goods lost. Goods lost. Second is, second goods adjustment जो है वो है goods for 500 were taken by the proprietor for personal use. This is drawings. इसको drawings लिख दो, ये drawings में आएगी. How much? 500. और एक था एडवर्टीजमेंट. एडवर्टीजमेंट के लिए हमने माल जो बांटा फ्री, दैट इज हाउ मच? दैट इज 1000. 1000 का माल एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए हमने बांटा. सो ये भी लेस हो जाएगा, ये भी लेस हो जाएगा, ये भी लेस हो जाएगा, और परचेजेज में से ये चार चीज़ें लेस होगी. कौन सी? एक है 21,000 और एक है ड्राइंग्स. हाउ मच इज द ड्राइंग्स? 500. ड्राइंग्स आर, he drew 500. Okay, so now if we deduct all these out of this 5,60,000, how much shall we get? So I will write here the net figure. 21,000 and 15,000. This is 36,000, 37,500. 21 and 15, 36, 37, 37,500. So I'll deduct from this 37,500. 37,500. So this is 2 and 2, 5 lakh, 37,500 is correct. 5,22,500. 5,22,500. So this is the net figure after deducting returns and goods lost and drawings and advertisement. Did you get it? So therefore, all these adjustments have been dealt with. एक एक बार लिख लिया हम. इसके बाद देखें हमारे पास ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट की कौन कौन सी आइटम है. एक है कैरेज इनवर्ड. दिस इज हाउ मच? 4,000. कैरेज इनवर्ड. This is 4,000. Carriage inward. Then we have wages. Wages are 55,000. No outstanding wages. Then we have no other item of trading account. Come here. Buy sales. Sales कितनी है? इधर से देखो. Sales है 6,80,000. Less returns. Returns आपको इधर से मिलेंगी. ये है returns 15,000. और इसमें से 15 घटा दें हम तो वी विल गेट 6,65,000. 6,65,000. एक एडजस्टमेंट और ले लें इधर से. देयर इज ए क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक है हमारे पास 36,000. ये है. तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट पूरा हो गया हमारा. तो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का इस साइड का टोटल अगर हम करें, दिस टोटल कम्स टू 7,01,000. टोटल इधर लिख दें 7,01,000। अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास निकलेगा ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट। और इसी ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट को हम यहाँ ले आएंगे, जो भी फिगर हमारे पास आएगी gross profit. Now we'll work it out little later. Let us complete the profit and loss account. So in profit and loss account we have other, here is bad debts. Let us take this item first. 2,000 are the bad debts. I write here 2 bad debts. Bad debts, they are 2,000. Add plus further bad debts. Further bad debts 3,200. Further bad debts are 3,200. So we have here 5,200. How much? 5,200 is the bad debt. This is the bad debts in the trial balance. These are the bad debts in the adjustments. So we now have next item on the profit and loss account. We have that rent. Yes, here is rent. Rent is 25,000. Look here,